Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the automatic off timer on your Xbox Series X. So this feature basically turns off your console automatically whenever it detects inactivity on your Xbox Series X. So all you have to do is power on your console and then access the home page. And then from the menu that appears on top of the screen, select Settings, and then scroll down and choose Preferences, and then select Idle Options. Now you should see two options under the automatic turn off your console when not in use. So the first option is turn off after inactivity, and the second option is turn off after a certain period of time when you're watching any video or music. So let's say, for example, if you want to adjust the turn off after inactivity, so you can come here and you can choose from either 10 minutes being the lowest one and the highest time 6 hours, or you can decide to do not turn off automatically. So by default it's set to 4 hours. So you can say, let's say if I want to choose 1 hour, you can select 1 hour, and then you can come here down to turn off. It will automatically turn off after a certain period of playback of music or video. So you can either choose 2 hours, 4 hours, or 6 hours, or you can set to do not turn off for media. So choose the settings you prefer, and once done, exit the settings and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.